Welcome to the Verifive digital signature tutorial. In this guide, we will walk you through uploading a digital certificate, creating a password-protected document, and completing the digital signing process with Verifive. Go to the settings in Verifive to add your own digital certificate. Navigate to Digital Certificate, upload your digital certificate file, enter your password, and submit. Your digital certificate will be verified successfully, and its details will be displayed. In the Documents section of Verifive click on Create Document and upload your file. Provide the necessary document details and tick the checkboxes for options such as Password Protect the document and Enable digital signature. Set your password and click Next. Drag and drop the required fields onto your document, such as signature and date. Confirm your selections and send invites to the recipients by clicking Confirm. You can also copy the invite link to share. Recipients will sign the document, save, continue, and submit their signatures. After the signing process is completed successfully, go to Verifive Your document status will be shown as signed. To open the document, enter the password you set earlier since it is password protected. Once you have entered the password, you can view the document. Scroll to the bottom to see the e-signing audit trails and the signature certificate. To download the document, click Download. You will be prompted to enter the password again to open it. Use Adobe to open the document. Scroll to the bottom of the document to see the signer details, including the time and verification status by Verifive Go to the Signature panel and click on Certified by Verifive to see more details. You can also click at the bottom of the document to see the signature validation status. For a detailed validity summary and signature information, go to the Signature properties. You've now learned how to use the digital signature feature in Verifive including uploading a digital certificate, creating a password-protected document, and completing the digital signing process. Thank you for following along, and happy signing with Verifive